Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from derivatives. The question is differentiate x squared plus 1 with respect to x cube. So let us assign the names as u and v to these functions. Let u represent x squared plus 1 and let v represent x cube. So therefore we have to find, or we have to obtain, du by dv, right? That is derivative of u with respect to v. Let us consider u first, that is x squared plus 1. So if we consider u, which is x squared plus 1, and if we differentiate with respect to x, we obtain du by dx is equal to, now derivative of x squared is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. So du by dx is equal to 2x. Now let us consider v. Now v is equal to x cube. So if we consider v, which is equal to x cube, now differentiating v with respect to x, we get dv by dx is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x squared. And now we could easily obtain du by dv. So therefore we could say du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Now derivative of u with respect to x was 2x and derivative of v with respect to x is 3x squared. So substituting these two values, we obtain 2x upon 3x squared. Now we cancel out 1x each, and finally we have du by dv is equal to 2 upon 3x.